Hello students, I Anjum Bhati Nirban welcomes you to join the class of English Literature. As you all know, in our previous class we have read chapter number 7, which was a poem, The Charge of the Light Brigade. And we also have completed question answers along with word meanings. Now let's enjoy the short video of this poem.
Of the Light Brigade. The poem The Charge of the Light Brigade, written by Lord Alfred Tennyson, is a dedication to the British cavalry unit, the Light Brigade, who fought the Russian artillery in the Crimean War on a mistaken order. In this verse, the poet says more than 600 British soldiers marched on horsebacks towards the Valley of Death, where the well-equipped Russian army was waiting for them. As commanded, the Light Brigade dutifully continued to move ahead towards the enemy waiting with guns. The poet further says that the soldiers didn't know what fear was. They bravely followed the order to attack, even though it had been mistakenly communicated. Not once the soldiers replied back or argued why they were marching into a war they wouldn't survive. It was their duty to fight and die. As the war broke out, the soldiers found themselves surrounded by the enemy. Bullets being fired, yet they rode ahead to fight the enemy. The soldiers attacked the gunners with sabers, leaving everyone wonder how an army with lighter weapons could face the enemy. Soldiers crossed the border through dense smoke. Their fierce attack brought the enemy on their knees. Many soldiers and their horses lost their lives in the attack. The survivors fought hard and returned back from hell's mouth. The world was astonished by their achievement. These men deserved to be honored for the sacrifices they made. The poem talks about war and artillery. Find out more about the types of artillery used during the 19th century.
So class, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's do book exercise of lesson number 7. Learn language, okay? Read these sentences. Could you wait a moment, please? It may rain today. You ought to drive carefully in bad weather. The words highlighted, could, may, highlighted in the above sentences are models. You have already learned models in your previous classes, okay? Let us revise them again. Models are the helping verbs that are used to express ability, possibility, permission, request, or obligation. They give additional information about the function of the main verb that follows them. Study the table given below to understand different function of each models. So first, what is model? Model is a part of a verb, okay? So this is an auxiliary verb, and we'll read verbs, modal verbs, and their uses and with the example, okay? Can. First is can is used for many things, ability, permission, informal request, okay? I can drive, you can go now, can you come for a minute? Now here, I can drive is ability, you can go now is a permission given by some other person, okay? Informal request, can you come for a minute? This is the informal request, okay? Now could is opposite of can, it is used in the past, okay? Ability in past, polite request. जब भी हम कोई request करते हैं, there is informal request, but हमें कोई polite request करनी है, तो we will always use could. Probability. फर्स्ट हम एबिलिटी इन पास्ट पढ़ेंगे. आई कुड रन वेरी फास्ट व्हेन आई वाज यंगर. आपको एक हिंट मिलेगा जो किसको इंडिकेट करेगा, पास्ट को इंडिकेट करेगा, एंड देयर विल बी एबिलिटी, ओके. पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, could you share Nikhil's phone number? Probability, Shikha could get selected to play the final match. Now may is used for probability, request or permission in formal way. I may score 100% in my test this time. This is probability. Request है may I speak, and this is हम परमिशन भी दे सकते हैं और रिक्वेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं, यस यू मे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज might. Might is used for past tense of may and probability. Okay, हम पहले might का use past tense में करेंगे. He said he might change his mind. Okay, and next is probably. It might rain today. Must is used for strong obligation, logical conclusion and certainty. You must obey the law. This is the necessary thing. We need to do it. Okay, this is the compulsory form of which we have to apply. Okay, Rachel must be hungry as she has not eaten anything since yesterday. So outside food must not be eaten there. तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या पढ़ा है? Prohibition. Must not के लिए हमने क्या पढ़ा? Prohibition. Next is shall. Shall is used for obligation, question tag for I and we and offer. We always use shall in future tense. Okay, the company shall clear the dues. Let's leave. Shall we? This is a question for the I and we. Okay, shall I clean the table? Okay, this is for the offer. Okay, next is should. The right thing to do means advice, recommendation, obligation. So the use of should is we should not tell lie. This is the right thing to do. You should focus on your career. This is the advice. For strong bones, you should drink milk. This is recommendation. I should return this book to the library. This is obligation. Next is will also use for the future tense, and it is also used for promises and intention. For the example, prices will go up next summer. I will pick you up from school. This is intention and this will be promise. Okay. Next is would. Would is the past form of will. He told me he would come. उसने मुझे कहा था कि वह आएगा. And would we use for the third person? Okay. Imagine situation. So the example of this. What would you do if you were him? Okay. This is imagination situation. When we imagine something, we apply would. Polite request, offer, and invitation. Would you please hold my bag? This is polite request. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? This is offer. Would you like to travel with me to the hills? This is invitation. And would also use for the desire. I would return this book to the library. Okay. Next is ought to. The right thing to do. Ought to is also used for the right thing to do. Student, there are three models which works like the same. First is should, second is must, and third is ought to. Okay. You ought to apologize. Next is, and last one is need to. Need to is used for necessity. I need to get my passport renewed. Okay class, I hope these models are clear to you all. Now let's do book exercise related to models. Question is, fill in the blanks with the correct models. First sentence is, he dash play the violin very well. Now there is ability, so we'll apply over here can. C-A-N. He can play the violin very well. Second is Ravi want to go home tonight. The sentence is Ravi want to go home tonight. There is probability. For probability, we will add might. M-I-G-H-T. Okay. The doctor thinks you dash eat more of fruits and vegetables. Now here recommendations. For recommendation, we apply should. This is serious. You dash tell her immediately. Now here the strong obligation. For this strong obligation will apply must. She is not feeling well, so she does stay back at home tonight. This is future indication. That's why I'll add will. Also intention. Okay. Dash you please get me a bottle of water. There is a polite request, so we'll apply could. Next is to get back on your feet. You dash to discipline. This is necessity, so we'll apply need to. And W-D need. T-O-T. If you don't start preparing now, you dash repeat the course next year. Now हमें already future indication मिला है, so we'll apply will. Next is they dash be able to work with you, but I am not certain. There is a certainty, so we'll apply over here might. Hema and Hari dash relocate next year. Next year again the future indication. That's why we'll apply will over here. So students, I hope this model exercise is clear to you all. Please try to understand it your own, and in our next video we'll be continuing with the next chapter. Till then, learn this chapter. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself. Bye bye everyone.